Hey students, welcome to my room. Today we are going to focus on my favorite grammar, the passive voice. This is important grammar for all English tests, but today I'm going to focus on passive voice for the TOEIC level. After I explain the grammar, I have 3 practice questions for you. Yes, you. Okay, let's go. I love passive voice. But what is it? To explain passive sentences, first we have to explain active sentences. In English, our normal word order is subject plus verb plus object. Active voice. For example, cats eat bugs. Ew. Subject plus verb plus object. And remember, what is an object? Well, it's the word that receives the action of the verb. So that's active voice. How do we make a sentence passive? Well, it's all about where we put the words. To make an active sentence passive, we take the object of the active sentence and make it the subject of the new sentence. But wait. This is a little confusing, so let's use a slide. So, first we have our active sentence. Now, let's make our object, bugs, a subject. Bugs, and good news! We have a formula for passive sentences. Subject plus be plus the past participle. So, let's do bugs, and then we need be. Bugs is plural, right? So, are. Bugs are. And then we need the past participle. Eaten. Wait, what's the past participle again? Oh yeah, the third form, right? Eat, ate, eaten. The third form and the past participle are the same thing. Now, quick question. Here are our sentences again. What tense are both of these sentences in? Oh wait. What tense? These two sentences are both in the present simple tense. Present simple tense. But how do you know? Well, this is super important. When my students learn the passive voice, the number one mistake they make is they think passive. Oh, it sounds like past. So all passive sentences are past tense. Nope. Wrong. Passive and past are not the same thing. To find the tense of a passive sentence, you have to look at the be verb. This will tell you the time. In our examples, in sentence 1, the verb is eat. Cats eat bugs. Present tense. In our second sentence, look at be. It is are. Are is present, so they're both in the present tense. Eaten does not tell us the tense because this is the past participle. And it's the same in all passive sentences. Here, I'll show you. Bugs are eaten by cats. Bugs were eaten by cats. Bugs will be eaten by cats. Bugs have been eaten by cats. Bugs, you can read, are being eaten by cats. Girl, those bugs must be delicious. So look, eaten. Bleh. It never changes. Bam! But what does change? The be verbs. Present, past, future, present perfect, present continuous. We find the tense of a passive sentence by looking at the be verb. Bam! The third form, or past participle, never changes. Passive sentences are all about order, word order, not tense. Okay, now let's do some practice. You know what to do. I have 3 questions, 3 slides. Try these and then we'll check and explain. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, go. Number 1. The office building blank during the heavy thunderstorm last night. Damage, damaged, was damaging. Number 2. The conference blank for November the 19th. A. Will scheduled. B. Will schedule. C. Will be scheduled. D. Will be. Number 3. We protect our guests' privacy at this hotel. Our employees blank to knock before entering any rooms. Will require, are required, have required, were required. Okay, let's take a look at number 1. The answer is C, was damaged. Damaged. We are talking about last night. So, we need past tense. So, we can say, bye girl, bye, to answer A. Then, let's think about our formula for passive voice. Our subject in this sentence is the office building. So, the next thing we need is a form of be. So, damaged is incorrect because there's no be. Then we look at C and D. Was and was. Okay, so past tense, past tense. Now we have to look at the participle. Damaged, damaging, well, only damaged is the correct past participle. This is where you have to learn and memorize and remember your past participles. Sometimes they're the same as the past tense. Like this one, damage, past tense damaged, past participle damaged again. Another example is walk. Walk, walked, walked. But then sometimes we have irregulars. For example, how about drive? Drive, past tense drove, and past participle driven. So it's important to learn these. Number 2. The conference will be scheduled for November the 19th. C. This one is future passive. For future passive sentences, we only add one thing to the formula. Subject plus will plus be plus the past participle. So all our answer choices have will. Okay, so what's next? We need be again. Well, A and B don't have it, so those are not right. And then answer D is missing the past participle, so that doesn't work either. Therefore, the correct answer is C. At number 3, we protect our guests' privacy at this hotel. Okay, our employees are required to knock before entering any rooms. B. The word employees is the subject, so next we need be. There is no be in A or C, so those are wrong. And then the first sentence in this question is present tense. So The second sentence needs to be in the same tense, which means B is the only correct answer. D is in the past. Here's a tip. If you take the TOEIC, they have passive sentence questions, but sometimes the answer choices don't have be. They have other verbs. If you don't see be in the choices and it's not already in the question, think, well, if it's passive, I probably need be. Alright, so this was just a little introduction to the passive voice. This grammar can get a little crazy, but for now, focus on the basics. Learn your past participles. Remember to look at the be verb to find the tense, and remember the formula. I hope this helped, and I will make more videos on the passive because I love it, where I will talk about more details. Also, in the description, I put a link to a website that has all the irregular past participles, or the important ones you need to memorize. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a question or a suggestion for another video, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys the next time I see you. Bam!